Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a Face ID has been disabled in your iPhone. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you set up your Face ID in your iPhone and facing the issue that your Face ID has been disabled, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings and check your Face ID. So guys, you need to click on Face ID and passcode. So guys, after this, you need to check that, and here is the option of setup. And when you click on get started, so here you can see Face ID is not available, try setting up ID later. So means your Face ID has been disabled and your Face ID not working in your iPhone. So guys, how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and after this you need to click on general and scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. And guys, after doing reset settings, go and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if not fixed your problem, then you need to go back, and the second method is you need to update your iPhone. So guys, click on update and make sure that your iPhone has been updated. So here you can see my iPhone is not updated, I have an update. So first of all guys, you need to click on update now, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to go back and you need to open your Apple Sport in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, here you can see Apple Sport, you need to click on it, and after this guys, you need to click on your iPhone. So after doing this, you need to scroll down, click on more, and after this here you need to find a Face ID. So guys, here you can see you need to click here, and guys, after this wait for next page, and first option is Face ID not working. So guys, you need to click here and wait for next page opening. So guys, wait, and guys, after this you need to scroll down, and after this here is the option of no, you need to click here, and guys, here you need to write your problem. So your problem is Face ID is not working in your phone, and please help this issue as soon as possible. And guys, after writing your problem, you need to click on submit, and after submitting, within a day your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your Face ID smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.